TFG is now a potato stan account.
All right, I don't know who's going to tell the mushrooms, but...
Oh, no.
What's up? It's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe, and yet again, we are out at the grill, cooking up something good for summer. What is it this time?
Potatoes.
Classic. More potatoes on the grill.
Yeah, we just like to grill carbs. We decided to do like foil pouch potatoes. So we did like a pretty basic recipe. It's like a lemony grilled potato with onions.
I think it's a good staple.
I do too. I think it's a great side to have with whatever you're serving. Like you can literally serve this with anything, including our grilled gnocchi from 2 weeks ago.
There you go. Potatoes with a side of potato, which we are literally eating right now, and we can attest to its greatness.
Yes.
Okay, well, we should just get grilling, but before we do, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes that won't necessarily all be grilled or all potato, but they'll all be good.
They will all be grilled and all potato.
Okay, that's a change that we hadn't really discussed.
TFG is now a potato stan account.
All right, I don't know who's gonna tell the mushrooms, but...
Oh no. To make your grilled lemon potatoes with a dill sour cream, we're first going to start off by preheating our grill to a medium heat. Then to a bowl, we're going to add in some 1/4-inch sliced potatoes and some thinly sliced white onion. Sprinkle with a little bit of salt, pepper, some lemon zest, and some lemon pepper. And then just toss that until it's all combined and the spices and seasonings are evenly coating all the contents. So next up, we're going to create a pouch out of aluminum foil. Now again, this makes quite a bit, so you can divide this into multiple pouches or make one giant one. I would recommend at least dividing it into 2. I did it into 3 separate pouches, but again, completely up to you. Next up, you want to layer your potatoes and onion in a really thin layer at the bottom. We want to make sure these cook pretty evenly, so you don't want to do like a 2-inch thick potato cake. So make sure that's all layered onto the foil pouch. Then you're going to dollop with some vegan butter and then seal that foil pouch together so that no air escapes. Repeat if you're doing multiple pouches. So next up, we're going to place those foil pouches on our grill for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now you're going to want to watch these carefully because the bottoms can burn pretty quickly if your grill is too hot. So depending on your grill, keep an eye on them, take a peek inside the foil. If it looks like it's starting to get really dark around the edges of potatoes along the bottom, turn the heat down and move your pouches to cooler areas of the grill. Now you're just going to cook these for about 20 to 30 minutes or until they are fork tender. Then while those cook, you're going to make a dill sour cream. So we're going to do that by combining some vegan sour cream with some fresh dill, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then you're just going to mix that until it's all combined. And then once the potatoes are fully cooked, I just combined them all into one dish and then topped it with that vegan dill sour cream. And optionally, if you want, you can top it with some extra fresh dill or some shredded cheese or anything like that. Time to eat potatoes. Now I will say, Devin, I had to buy President's Choice coconut sour cream for this because I wasn't able to get better ones.
Oh no.
And then I tried to make it better in my own way by adding like more tang to it. And
Yeah.
I think I made something really disgusting.
Oh no. Oh no.
But like the premise is good. I didn't show it on video because all you need is sour cream and the 3 ingredients I said. I tried to doctor my sour cream. Don't do that. I've made a monster, but it's okay. Sorry, let's eat our potatoes.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love potatoes so much.
Oh, it's so good. And actually, the lemon is such a nice kick to it. I've never had that.
Oh, so good. I love lemon pepper is the best flavor.
It's true. Every few months you have to remind me of that, I think.
Yes. Now, Devin, I need to ask you a question.
Wow.
Did yours burn on the bottom?
No, not too bad.
I'm so proud of you because I definitely ignored mine a little bit. And they may have burned a little bit.
But they're still okay?
Yeah,
Oh,
they're still
great.
fine. They're still potatoes. I will say, I think a burnt potato is better than no potato at all.
That's one of my bottom potatoes.
Oh wow, that looks so good.
It kind of got stuck a little bit, but it looks great.
And oh my goodness, onion and potato is the best combo, right? Like, so good.
I think so.
I love this so much.
Me too. So easy. Just put it in a little pouch. Let it do its thing. We'll make sure you check it, but like, it's a little pouch.
Yeah, basically just like check it every once in a while. Make sure your fire isn't too hot. Move it around the grill. Channel your inner Samin. Move it around in the different heat zones.
And because it's in the pouch, it's not going to make your grill all messy while you move it around.
Bonus.
Now, I feel like in the comments, we should talk about potato pouches on the grill and what flavors you might put in there other than what we did.
So what would you put in, Devin? If you were making a recipe for foil potatoes, what would you add to it?
I'm kind of curious about like a chili garlic, like
ooh,
butter, garlic, and maybe like chili flakes. Do you think that would work? That
sounds delicious.
Okay, cool. That's my answer.
I really thought you were going to say buffalo.
I almost did.
I also can't think of any other flavors.
I will say this. I have put soy sauce on my roasted potatoes recently a little bit.
Like,
and I think
before
we need to be
roasting
doing that
them?
more.
Before roasting them or after roasting them?
Before.
Okay.
And I think that would be really good to play around with too.
Agreed. I actually think that's a great idea because, like, if you're cooking potatoes from raw, like you're not pre-boiling them before you're roasting them or anything, there's going to be no salt in them. So adding salty ingredients to them helps the salt penetrate.
There we go. Okay. As usual, the recipe will be in the description box below for you to go make it. There's also a link to our podcast. We talk about veganism, we talk about recipes, we talk about all the things we learned from Samin about cooking. It comes out every Monday and it's called Camera Eats First, so go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us that way, we really truly appreciate it, but if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, comment, and go share it with somebody else who likes potatoes.
Share it far and wide. Also, like, if somebody doesn't like potatoes, like, I know I can't speak because Hutch doesn't like potatoes, but, like,
awkward.
That's a red flag.
Yeah. That's a red flag, like, real.
What a good day.
What a potato day.
Yeah.